water frontiers of India. The water frontiers, when we come across with the water frontiers of India, the mainland India has about 6,100 square kilometers of long coastal line. If we add the coastal line of Andaman and Nicobar Islands of Bay of Bengal and the Lakshadweep of Arabian Sea, the total coastal line of the country stretches up to 7,517 square kilometers, that is 9.56%. The total number of islands of the country is 1197. It is washed by the three sides of water, that is Arabian Sea to the west, Bay of Bengal to the east and the Indian Ocean to the south. Himalayas are the most dominating factors influenced by the destiny of the country. Even in the historic past, through the waters of Indian Ocean, India had a trade contract with the neighboring countries of the world. One of the greatest climatological phenomena of Indian Ocean or India is the monsoon winds, which gets their origin or which have their origin in the Indian Ocean. When we come across with the neighboring island countries of India, Sri Lanka as an island lies to the Indian Ocean, to the south of West Bengal or towards the south of Bay of Bengal. It is separated from the Indian subcontinent by Gulf of Mannar and Park Strait, a narrow canal of 228 square kilometers. 2 points of India and Sri Lanka are joined by a group of inlets called Adams Bridge. Being shallow, large ships cannot pass through this canal, so Setu-Samudram, a channel, is planned connecting Gulf of Mannar and Bay of Bengal through Park Strait. It is about 70 kilometers length and suitable for large ships to pass through them. Maldives, officially called the Republic of Maldives, is an island country in the Indian Ocean formed by a double chain of 26 atolls stretching in between north-south direction of India and Lakshadweep Islands. It stands in the Lakshadweep Seas about 700 kilometers, that is 435 miles southwest of Sri Lanka. When we come across what is Indian Ocean or what is the significance of Indian Ocean for a country, Indian Ocean, the largest or the third largest ocean in the world, is about 7,34,42,000 square kilometers. This is the only ocean named after a country, that is India. It is bounded by in the south we have Asia, and in the north we have Indonesia and also Australia, and in the east and by the Africa towards the west. The meridian of Cape Tasmania or 147° east degree longitude is the boundary line between India and Pacific Ocean, and the boundary line between the Pacific, Atlantic and the Indian Ocean are meridian of Cape Town, that is 18°22' east, divides India and Atlantic Ocean. In the south, it extends up to the Arctic continent. Since Indian Ocean and the countries surrounding it are very rich in natural resources, there is a considerable enhancement in geopolitical strategy. The Indian Ocean is endowed with varieties of natural resources, of which minerals and power resources as well as food resources are of very important. The deposits of gravels or shells, sands are used primarily under the manufacturing of cement. Deposits like gold, platinum, tin, magnetite, gemstones, etc. are primarily marine aggregates in developing the industries of the country. Indian Ocean is also a major player in offshore oil and gas exploration, drilling and production. Hence, India has used Indian Ocean for thousands of years. Thus, this ocean has been a powerful medium of trade, defense, colonization and diffusion of Indian culture, particularly in the Southeast Asian countries. In today's class, we came across with the 5 main segments of this Southeast Asian countries or geography of India. So, hope you all have come across with this and it will be useful for you in your further studies. Thank you.